Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a follow-up strategy with Mailchimp, complete guide step by step clearly. To start a follow-up strategy with Mailchimp, begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have an account, create one by filling out the necessary information. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab on the main dashboard. Click on the Create Campaign button. Choose Email from the drop-down menu. Select Automated and then Custom. Name your campaign something relevant to your follow-up strategy. Next, choose your audience from the available lists in your account. Click on Add Recipients to specify the segment of your audience to receive follow-up emails. Set up the trigger for your automated emails by clicking on Trigger. Select the event that will initiate the follow-up email, such as date added or campaign activity. Define the specifics. Once you've set the trigger, click Design Email to customize your message. Select a template that suits your brand and message. Use the email editor to craft your follow-up message, ensuring it aligns with your overall strategy. Add personalization tags to make your emails feel more tailored to the recipient. Include a clear call to action in your follow-up email. Preview your email to check for any design or content issues. Next, set your email's subject line and other details like the sender name. Once satisfied, click Save and Continue. Now, review all the settings for your campaign to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, click Start Sending to activate your follow-up strategy. You can monitor the performance of your emails by returning to the Reports section. Adjust and refine your strategy based on the performance metrics you gather over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.